Hey guys, I'm a home welder from overseas, working in my small garage. I have a big dream. One day I want to move to the USA and join your incredible maker community. But for now, I'm just burning some wire with my MIG welder and building my future step by step. Welding isn't just about joining metal for me, it's my passion. In this project, I wanted to focus on clean joints and solid construction. Every spark brings me a little closer to my goal. It's hard work, but I love every second of it.